Trine University's Allen School of Engineering and Computing emphasizes hands-on experience to demonstrate and reinforce the concepts covered in the classroom. As an engineering and computing student, you put into practice everything you learn.
One thing that was really cool is last semester we had this manufacturing process and equipment class, and we had a lecture where we're supposed to learn about sheet metal and welding and pouring and all that different stuff, and then they said, all right, now let's go do it. And so we did it. We're cutting stuff in the lab, we're pouring stuff, we're forging different things, we're welding, and the assignment was to make a grill, and once we were done we made a grill. It looked like a grill, and that was really cool to just be something from beginning to end, from drawing it to actually making it, and we had a really cool looking final product.
To find out more about your experience as an engineering and computing student at Trine University, visit our campus and check out one of our classes. See for yourself how our students applied their classroom knowledge.